Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, August 6, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I always have disliked Fridays, call them Freaky Fridays. Once in a while we get a good one, but usually Fridays are bad days. Lately, they've been even worse because Friday is usually a bad day after maybe four fairly decent trading days during the week. Well, lately, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday have been terrible, and then Friday is just horrible. And that's kind of what went on today. Uh, yeah, it's just sickening. We had 16 positions yesterday, quite a lot, but at least we were positive over $12,000 in open trade on the close. And then what got me, if you saw the video yesterday, what got me really excited was we had one stock, SQBG, which is Sequential Brands, and that was negative about $2,000 on the close yesterday, but in the aftermarket, that thing took off and was up about $10,000 when I was making the video in the aftermarket. So, in my optimistic way of thinking, I'm looking, okay, we got 12,000 on the close plus say $8,000 to $10,000 in Sequential Brands, and so we might have a $20,000 day today on Freaky Friday. Well, that didn't happen. Sequential Brands opened fairly high this morning, but just collapsed instantly on the open, and it ended up going back right to where it was on the close yesterday, negative 16, a little over $1,600. So no help from Sequential Brands at all, and everything else went to hell also. So we ended up going from positive 12,000 on the close yesterday to closing out those 16 positions with negative $4,400. So we saw like over $16,000 go up in smoke. And I just, yeah, can we get a break? Can we just have a little break? No, we're not getting any breaks at all. We're just getting slammed day after day. Like these are the markets from hell. We got into 10 positions today, 6 positive, 4 negative, and we were reasonably positive for much of the day, but on the close we're negative $100. So we're not even positive on our open trade over the weekend, and God knows what that's going to do on Friday. And then, so what do you think the Dow did today? Well, the Dow made record all-time highs today. I have never seen anything like this before. I'm convinced that the Dow is just is being manipulated. I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I've never seen this before. I'm used to it. When the Dow goes up, generally speaking, we have a good day. Just the opposite seems to be happening. I'll show you here. This is the long-term chart, and you can see how the Dow here, this is today, and it just peaked above these previous highs. And that's the other frustrating thing, that I wish the darn thing would crash. I know that would help us, but it's not crashing, but it's just breaking these highs, but it's not convincingly going through them. So usually what happens is if it goes through the highs, um, convincingly, then the high, that previous high becomes like a floor, and it'll bounce off of those there as it moves higher and higher. But it's not doing that. It's just poking through it. I swear, just, you know, so people can say, hey, stock market made a new high today, but it just poked through. It wasn't a lot of volume. It was just another icky up day for the Dow, and you can almost predict that on Monday it's going to go down. It'll have a down day on Monday, and then it'll come up again, and it'll keep doing this, bouncing along this resistance level, and we'll continue having horrible trading. That's my very pessimistic view. Listen, I can't stand looking at these charts anymore, not before my weekend. So I'm just going to say, hey, this is really crap, and I'll see you on Monday.